The WEN 13-inch Benchtop Thickness Planer is a game-changer for woodworking enthusiasts, breathing new life into old, jagged boards with its exceptional performance. Crafted with a spiral cutter head featuring 26 staggered HSS blades, it delivers a flawless finish on both hard and soft woods, reminiscent of professional-grade results. Powered by a robust 15-amp motor, this planer operates at over 10,000 RPM with a 26 feet per minute feed rate, effortlessly handling boards up to 13 inches wide and 6 inches thick. One of the standout features is the onboard material removal gauge, which keeps users informed about the cutting depth during each pass, ensuring precision and control throughout the planing process. Coupled with the heavy-duty cast iron base, this planer remains stable and sturdy, minimizing any walking or wobbling during operation. Adjusting the depth is a breeze with the handy depth adjustment knob, allowing users to remove anywhere from 0 to 1/8 of an inch per pass, catering to various project requirements. The adjustable dust port efficiently removes chips and sawdust, maintaining a clean workspace, while the onboard depth stop guarantees exact workpiece thickness with maximum accuracy. Moreover, the inclusion of height-adjustable infeed and outfeed tables significantly reduces snipe while providing added support to workpieces during planing, ensuring consistent and smooth results. Mounting the planer onto a work surface or stand is effortless, thanks to the pre-drilled base holes, compatible with the WEN MSA 658 planer stand. In terms of user feedback, enthusiasts rave about the planer's performance, praising its ability to produce smooth cuts with minimal snipe. While some note the extraction system's limitation, requiring a standalone setup like a shop vac, most users find it to be a minor inconvenience compared to the overall stellar performance of the planer. However, despite the overwhelmingly positive reviews, a few users have reported issues with blade alignment and durability. One user experienced a misaligned blade and damage to the cutting head after a few uses, prompting concerns about reliability and customer support from WEN. While the planer boasts impressive power and ease of use, unresolved issues like these highlight potential areas for improvement in quality control and customer service. In conclusion, the WEN PL1326 13-inch spiral benchtop thickness planer offers outstanding value for money, delivering professional-grade results at an accessible price point. With its powerful motor, precision features, and sturdy construction, it's a solid choice for both amateur woodworkers and seasoned professionals alike, albeit with some caveats regarding potential reliability issues and customer support.